Hi, I'm Sarah with Crafty Creatures, and today we'll be making the Four Seasons tree painting from your Keep 'em Busy box. For this craft, we will need one canvas panel, our paints, and some paintbrushes. From home, let's find a pencil and eraser, a cup of water for washing brushes, and a mess-friendly place to paint. Once we have all of our supplies, let's get started. Draw a line through the middle of your panel both vertically and horizontally. Turn your panel portrait so that it is taller than it is wide. Draw a low hill along the bottom. Paint the whole paper minus your hill with blue paint. Paint half of the hill with a very light green by adding little drops of green paint to a fair amount of white. Paint the other side of the hill with a very, very light blue, just adding a tiny drop of blue to a bunch of white. Let your painting dry till the sky is dry or pretty close to it. Next, let's paint a tree using some brown paint. We want to have lots of branches, and we want to make sure that there is branches going into each quarter and that they're all different lengths. So some big, some small, some in between. Let that tree dry for a little while before we do our next step. In the quarter where we painted the hill light blue, let's dip the tips of our small paintbrushes into some white and dab it onto the branches that are in that quarter. Carefully dab or splatter some little drops of white paint into the sky. Use a clean, damp paintbrush to wipe away any stray snowflakes from the other sections. Move over to the spring quarter next to this one with the light green hill. Take some more of your light green and make some little leaves onto the branches in this section. Mix some light pinks or purples and make dots using the hard end of your paintbrush to make some flower blossoms. Now, let's go to the section above. This is our summer quarter. Take a flat paintbrush and dip just one corner into the yellow and the other corner into the green, like I've done here. Make U-shaped brush marks with the yellow side down to make dual color brush strokes. You will have to dip quite frequently for this part. Just make sure when you dip that you dip the right sides and repeat until you've filled in all the branches in this quarter to make a nice full summery tree. For the final section, make some different shades of orange, red, and yellow. Clean and dry a paintbrush thoroughly and rub it onto your fingers to fluff it up. Dip only the ends of the bristles into your fall colors and dab it onto the branches in the fall quarter. Keep dipping and layering different amounts of the colors without brushing or blending them in. The colors will start to swirl together with more layers, making a nice autumn tree. Let your painting dry completely before moving or touching it. Thanks for painting with me today. I'll see you wise owls next time for a new craft. Goodbye.